Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out actual website link hidden inside the shortened website link in computer or smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. Say I have one shortened website link, so you can see here right now. So I don't know what is the actual website link that is being hidden inside this shortened website link. So for this, what you need to do is just copy it. Now just open any web browser and in the Google search for one name, link unshortened, and on the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just paste the copied shortened website link here on this box, and now just click on this unshortened. Now you can see the destination URL. As you can see, the actual website link that is being hidden inside this shortened website link, and below there are some useful options like whether this website link is valid or not, or whether this website link has some viruses or any spywares, malwares, anything. You can check here one by one if you want to check whether it's a spam or not. So let us click on here. So you can see it has no issues. So you can check the various options also. So you can see a green indication, so risk is 0. So this website link is completely safe. So you can check one by one whichever you are required for you. So by using this link unshortened, you can easily find out actual website link hidden inside the shortened website link in computer or smartphone very easily. So if you never known about this cool link unshortened, you can easily give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.